Don't spill. Hey, Lucy. No, okay. Okay, say hi, Luke. Say, I'm eating chips and salsa. Where's Luke, Lucy? Where's he on his mission? Remember? Nope, you can't walk with that. Argentina. Say hi, Luke. Lucy, can you show Luke your down dog? Show him how you do a down dog. Good girl. Look at that down dog. Perfect form. I'm so impressed. Lucy, can you say your ABCs?
No.
Can you sing Jingle Bells?
Mama, seen it?
Okay, ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good girl. Will you sing Jingle Bells? Or popcorn or Itsy Bitsy? Ready? Do your fingers. Get your fingers ready. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Yeah.
Good girl. What about popcorn?
No.
No? What about Jingle Bells?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ready? Jingle bells, jingle bells. You gonna sing it?
No.
No? Okay. Well, say bye, Luke. I love you.
I love you.
Here, look at the camera. Look at Mama's phone. Look over here. Say bye, Luke. I love you.
I love you.
Blow kisses. Blow kisses. Oh, that's so nice. Love you, Luke.
I